Today we're going to make Jamie Oliver's brownie recipe. First thing we gotta do here is melt some chocolate. I have 70% dark chocolate. We're gonna need about 250 grams of this, which is roughly just over 1 cup's worth. Let's put our chocolate in a heat-safe bowl. And then we're just gonna put this bowl on top of our pot here, which has a little bit of water, and we're gonna heat it up, and that's going to melt our chocolate. Here we have some unsalted butter. We're going to need about 1 cup's worth. Let's cut these into smaller pieces to help this melt. And then we're gonna take our butter and put it in the bowl with the chocolate. And let's melt all of that goodness together. Now let's crack 4 eggs into this mixing bowl. And with the eggs, I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar and then mix this all together. Let's check on our butter and our chocolate mixture. That looks so good. We're gonna sift through 2 heaping tablespoons of self-rising flour. Just pass that through. And then 2 heaping tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 and 2. Okay, and then we're gonna fold everything together gently because we wanna keep as many of those air bubbles that we have inside there. Now let's take our butter and melted chocolate mixture and add it to this bowl. And let's fold it all together. Here is my baking pan. And we're gonna put in a little bit of parchment paper. And then take our chocolate mix here and pour it directly into the pan. The oven's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put this baby straight in there for 25 to 30 minutes. Wow, that looks really delicious. I'm just gonna pull this out of the pan here. We're gonna let it rest on the counter for about 15 minutes. All right, let's cut into this and give it a taste. That looks fantastic. Let's give this a taste. I think that's one of the best brownies I've ever had. Check out some of these other great recipes here and support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.